If you want to hard reset your Motorola Edge 70 Pro by using recovery mode, then first of all, of course, we need to go to the recovery mode. And to do so, we're gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu. Once you have the power menu, you want to restart your phone, but once you start restarting, you want to press and hold volume down button. And now, just keep holding volume down button all the time until you are in the fastboot mode, which looks like this. And here we can navigate by using volume buttons, and you want to keep using either of these buttons until you have the recovery mode over here. Once you do, press power button. Your phone is going to restart, and soon we should see the no command screen on our phone. So let's wait for that. There we go. And then in here, once you have this no command, you want to press and hold power button. And then once you start holding the power button, you want to press volume up. So press and hold power and then press volume up. Now here in this menu, we can also navigate by using volume buttons. So we want to go to wipe data / factory reset, and of course confirm by pressing the power button. And then in here, you want to confirm that you want to perform factory reset by choosing factory data reset. And then you should be able to erase everything from your phone. Now, in case you go back to this main menu of Android recovery mode, then you want to restart your phone, so choose Reboot System now. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.